second pair of angel wings. This is dark pink amethyst, and these are natural indentations. When these pieces get polished, they sometimes have little indentations where the surface, like an air bubble, while these were forming. And look at this beauty. It goes all the way through. It's my finger. Look at that. Just beautiful. This pair is, oops, let's get the this measuring stick here on the right way. So you can see we're just down at the base there. And let me move my fingers. So this is 9.5 inches tall. This side is a teensy bit shorter, not by much, by about 1/4 inch. Okay. These are $382.50 on special, which is 15% off the regular price of $450. Now this special pricing is good through the shows. So mid-February, about 14th of February, and they will always be on full price, not on sale, once they're in the shop. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And you can see that part of the stand is not hurting anything. It's not touching anything because the wing is resting here. Okay. Here's the other wing. Look at this. Gorgeous. All right. One more view from the front. There you go. Larger than my hand span. And this is pair BR676. Again, $382.50 on special, which is 15% less. Kuan Yin is mine. Then they will be once they're in the shop. And once they're in the shop, they are $450 and will remain that way. Let me know which pair you'd like. There's one more pair to show you.